everyone, my name is Lisa, your host for today's video. So in this video, I added a pop of color. The previous video, I just had the white and gold going on, but I've since added a pop of color in here, and I'm actually ready to change it up because I've had this color in here for a couple of weeks. So since I've just recently did a video of this space, I'm going to start with the items that I've added since the last video. For those of you who've seen the previous video, can go ahead and jump off at that point. And if I have any new followers or someone who hasn't seen this room yet, you can hang on for the full room tour. So the pop of color that I've added, first of all, are these beautiful flowers here. These flowers are actually from Hobby Lobby. They come in different colors, and I love vibrant colors, so I went ahead and picked these up a couple of years ago. So these are really beautiful. Look how beautiful they are, and you can use these all year round. They're perfect for spring, but of course you can use this for the summer, the fall, and even for the holidays, which would be a beautiful color paired with some white. This fuchsia and white for Christmas, oh my God, that would be so beautiful. Now this particular item here actually came from Pier 1 when the store was open. Not sure if they have this type of stuff online, but yes, this here actually came from Pier 1. And the tulips are from Amazon, and I'll place a link below to that. I have those same tulips in this vase as well as that vase. These pillows, I had my pillows for about a year. The fuchsia pillows, I've had them for about a year. However, for the last month or so, Z Gallery had these pillows 50% off, and it's a very unique color. And whenever Z Gallery puts something 50% off, it's more than likely that they're not gonna, once they're sold out, they're not gonna restock them. So if they're still 50% off, if you like using vibrant colors and throwing in colors in your home, this is a very unique color that I don't see all over YouTube or all over Instagram. And I love being unique when it comes to, you know, my home. This side to the other fuchsia items, the little flowers that you see inside the vases actually came from Michael's, and I've had them for about a year or so as well. My pampas grass actually came from a shop on Etsy. Yes, I love this pampas grass. It is so beautiful. Pampas grass, you have a love-hate relationship with it because it does shed. And I've heard that you can spray it with hairspray, but I guess I've been lazy. I haven't gotten around to doing that. But I love this pampas grass. Super cute. So unique. Okay, so now let's move on to the room tour of the older items that someone may not have seen me give a tour on before. So starting with the curtains, all my curtains or drapes or shears around my home are actually from Amazon. All of them are from Amazon. These are super cute. They're white, sheer, and I love them. I can actually keep and then if you take a look at my curtain rod, I have a double curtain rod. I can actually keep these white ones in the back of whatever other color that I decide to use. The wall art actually came from Kirkland's. It came in a 2-piece, but I only have 1 piece there. I just like to keep a piece of wall art there in that middle part of my mirror. The vase here is from Z Gallery. The accent table is from Z Gallery. My end tables are from Homary. Lamps from Home Goods. The smaller vases there are from, I think these smaller vases are from Burlington. Yes, these are from Burlington. They were only like $12.99. And my candles are from Favor Mart. The accent chair, oh my goodness, I almost fell. The accent chair, you can get it from a few spaces. It's a TLV piece. The chair is a TLV piece, TLV furniture piece. But you can get it on Amazon and Wayfair and Overstock and things like that. My area rug actually came from Well Woven, but you can get it from Amazon. I love this rug. It's another piece that you don't see all over Instagram and YouTube and stuff like that. Not very many people. Actually, I haven't seen anyone else with this rug. My coffee table is from Z Gallery. The vase that you see here is from Pier 1. I've had it for like 15 years or longer. The Ming boxes here is from CB2, as well as those candle holders are from CB2. My couch is from Rooms to Go. The wall art is from At Home. The sconces on the side of the wall art are from Z Gallery. I've had them for several years. Moving on to this side, mirror from Z Gallery. These beautiful vases here are from Z Gallery. Coffee table books a young lady gifted me from Instagram. The little decorative object here is from Z Gallery. I've had it for several years. This super cute plant here is from Ross. It was a steal at Ross. I think it was like 29 bucks from Ross. The plant stand is from CB2. My ginger jar is from Home Goods. So that sums up this side of the room, except for my chandelier, which is from ET2 Lighting. I love it, love it, love it, love it. I always like to give a little tour of how beautiful this light is. It is gorgeous. I'll go ahead and turn the light on so you can see how it looks with the light on. Let's see here. Let me come up closer. I like it better with the light off. So I prefer it better with the lights off. It just looks so much prettier to me with the light off. So I didn't say where the fireplace. My fireplace is from Wayfair. I love their fireplace because it's tall and it's slim and petite and perfect for a small space such as my space. Now, panning on around this side, this is my entryway here. The wall art I pulled out of my family room because I'm getting ready to start doing my spring inspiration, and I'm going to be using so many colors. So I need a neutral wall art. So I'll either be using white or silver wall art. That's the plan. So the wall art I've had for many years is from Home Goods. These vases here are from, I think these are called Jewels canisters. The bigger ones are from Z Gallery. The smaller ones are from CB2. The tray is from CB2. My entryway table is a Wayfair. I think this, yeah, Wayfair Fine. It's no longer available. Then I have my mini ellipse vase down at the bottom, as well as a decorative object that's from Z Gallery. And the vase here that I have my pampas grass in is actually from CB2, and the stand is from Home Goods. So I think that I summed up this room pretty good. If I left something out, just comment below and I'm happy to tell you where the items came from. I will link whatever I can on the YouTube products link, and I'll also link things in my description box where you can click the Shop My Home and the Amazon storefront to shop a lot of the items. But if you take a look at the screen, there should be a Shop Products link. Unfortunately, I think you're only going to see maybe the chair and the fireplace from the from the YouTube Shop Products link. The rest of it is going to be, you know, from other stores that'll be linked in the Shop My Home and Amazon storefront. So I hope that you guys enjoy your weekend, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.